So it's already 1:30 p.m. here in California, and you guys can see in the video clip, I am just picking up trash. So this is all the trash. I mean, this is not just the trash laying everywhere, like on the table, on the floor. I didn't have too much because I've already been cleaning last month, so I was just picking up like the little things that I find, and I throw everything in here. So I'm gonna have to take this out and replace this. So we are done with day one already, you guys. It only took me probably 45 minutes to just pick up all the trash quickly. So I'm gonna do the video for day 2 in a little bit and get a little bit head start for day 2, and then I'll post the video tomorrow for day 2. So I'm just gonna get a little head start today for day 2. So day 2 is going to be I will explain that, okay, in the next video for day 2. So I think the first day I accomplished it, you guys. I mean, I didn't have a lot of trash. It was just little trash here and there on the floor, and I was able to do it in 45 minutes. So don't think about it, you guys, when you guys are doing these things. That's why we have the challenge day by day, and so we can cross it off. And I just narrow it down to like one category, so we don't have to focus on many other things. Because if I come in here, I would try to pick up garbage, I would try to put things away, organize things, and it's just not productive. So with that being said, I was able to just pick up all my trash in 45 minutes, because the goal for day 1 is to get trash out, pick up from under your table, a floor, anywhere you see that is trash. And I've been doing that almost daily, so I didn't have too much. So it probably took me 30 to 45 minutes. I didn't count exactly, but I think it wasn't too long. So I'm gonna start day 2 in a little bit, and I will put up the video for you guys and explain what's day 2, okay? So I see you guys tomorrow for day 2, you guys, and I hope that today you guys have a successful day of, you know, just clearing out garbage for day 1. And day 1 is like the most easiest because it's garbage. So I know that it's going to be harder as we get down the challenge, but you guys stay motivated, stay strong. We can do it. So
bye everybody.
Let's get to it.
Please like and subscribe. Bye. See you next time. Bye.